Worried about missing your low battery warning with mode and routine on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? You can set up a custom low battery alert that uses its lighting and even reads out a message. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover, scroll down the screen. Under Battery section, select Low Battery Alert. Now let's check the routine. In the If section, charging status is set to not charging by default and battery level is set to 10%. In the Then section, add lighting effect once. Tap it. Choose a lighting style, for example, select Eco, then tap Done. So custom notification, by default, it shows low battery with the content charge your phone and it's set to be read out loud. At the bottom, you will see option to edit, share, or save. Just tap save to add this routine to your list. And that's it. Now when your battery hits 10%, your phone will not just show a small icon, it will light up and even speak the reminder. It's super handy if you often miss silent warning or keep your phone on silent mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.